everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Now I've just received this off the postman, so I think I have an idea what it is, but I'm not 100% sure, so we shall see. But before we get into all that, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you here with me on my journey of YouTube and everything else that goes on with my channel. So let's get into it. So literally just got it, so I'm going to open it. So doo-doo. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, I've got my TRIYIT box! Yes! I love getting my TRIYIT boxes. If you guys haven't already seen my previous TRIYIT boxes, I got some absolute gems and like the products in them are absolutely amazing. So, let's see what we got. So, ooh. We've got our promotional stuff. So, let's just go through it and see what we have. I love how their packaging is like so eco-friendly. I get these little shreds of cardboard which I just pop in my composter, which is amazing. Oh, what's this? Powdered drink, EAA mint lemonade. 1 serving. Food supplement, powered drink with natural colour and sweetener. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's like a bodybuilding thing. So this is Dorian Yates essential amino acids. Contains all the amino acids that the body requires but cannot produce itself. There are 9 different essential amino acids. I didn't know that. So this is what it looks like there. And it gives the names of them here. I'm not going to even try and pronounce half of them because they look really strange. These fast absorbing amino acids are vegan and contain 0 sugar, making them the perfect workout companion for anyone. That's great. Now you go and take a run. That's really cool. So I got this one. What's it called? Dorian Yates. So this is a Dorian Yates product. Ooh, oh, I love these. Oh my god. Oh, yes. So I got Indie Bay spelt pretzel thins, sour cream and onion baked. They're baked pretzels. Oh my god, and they're sour cream and onion. That's like my favourite flavour. How cool. Yes. This is Forest of Hope chocolate surprise egg. Oh my lord, that is so cute. That is so cute. I love how everything is in like recyclable paper and everything is like just so eco-friendly. So this Forest of Hope chocolate surprise egg is 100% recyclable. Very good. Palm oil free recipe. Amazing, because most chocolate things are made from palm oil, and if you know anything about palm oil, you know that it is absolutely tripe. It's like, check your foods. I have stopped buying foods with palm oil in it just because of the way it's got, like, people need to understand, like, there's certain ingredients in your food that come from like the Amazon, and they are literally tearing up the world in order to get this. It's ridiculous. Like, look, Google palm oil and where it comes from and the destruction that it's actually doing. It's crazy. So we, in my house, we've taken out, we don't buy any products that contain palm oil. To the best of our ability, we try and avoid it because it's not worth like, if everybody did it, obviously it would be a great impact on the environment and on the forests and everything else. But I only can do what I can do for my family, and you can only do what you can do for your family. So just try, please. It's only 90 calories, nut safe, milky recipe and vegetarian friendly. So that is the Forest of Hope, and it's a really cute little thing. I love the name of it as well. Forest of Hope. God, we need so much of that right now. Oh, my son is going to absolutely love this. He loves these. So these are these stroop waffles. They are an authentic Dutch waffle. They are amazing. These ones are the caramel ones. Oh, we love these. So that's what they look like there. This is a 200-gram packet, which is amazing. Now, I know already these are savage. These are absolutely amazing. Oh, cannot wait to have them. And these, I think that they feel like the mini ones. Oh, it says minis on it, yeah. Duh. Yeah, very happy about these. Oh, and I've got a bottle of something. Ooh, what have you given me now? Oh my god, I've actually never had this. This is Calypso. Why did I spit? I've never actually had one of these, even though I've seen them in the shops, but these are Calypso Taste of the Islands Ocean Blue Lemonade with real lemon bits. I have always wanted to try one of these. One of my friends at work years ago used to always drink Calypso. She loved it. I think her boyfriend was Caribbean. But yeah, I really wanted to try this. Oh, brilliant. Now I've got such interesting things to try. Oh, shall I try this now? Oh God, I could literally eat all of these now. Oh God. Oh, I'm fasting. Darn. Okay, I can't. Yeah, today's Ash Wednesday and I can't do anything because I'm fasting today. Darn. I will do another video and we will come back in and check on these and see how they taste, because you know I'm going to love it. Ah, there's so much good food. Oh, this is amazing. Thank you, TRIYIT, so much for sending me out this box. This, I think, has to be one of my favorites. But then again, I say that every time because, like, I'm so grateful to be getting free stuff. Like, honestly, yeah, I love trying out their stuff, and I even have found some absolute favorites. Like, we got pasta in one of my last ones, which I have bought, and of course my Costa coffee. Anybody who knows me knows I love Costa coffee. I am like, I used to be a Starbucks girl, but then when I moved over here, I couldn't find a Starbucks nearby, so then I became Costa, and now I can't have anything else, only Costa. I'm just so used to that one. Even my son is like, "Are you going for a Costa coffee, mummy?" But yeah, so I'm so happy about this. This is an absolute amazing products. These are brilliant. I can't wait to try them all. That is it. That is my unboxing, because I can't eat right now because I'm fasting. It's Ash Wednesday, so I can't eat anything until tomorrow. But anyhow, it's just a very quick little video, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I can't wait to have these with a latte. Oh, delish. And I'm going to be having these while chilling. So good, and I cannot wait to have this Calypso. Oh my God, at the end of my fast, this is probably going to be so good because I reckon it's laced with sugar. Yeah, it is 11 grams. Yes. So I will be bouncing off the walls afterwards. This is going to be so cool. And my healthy little, woohoo, I get my amino acids. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you again, TRIYIT, so much for sending me out this box. Guys, I'm going to love you and leave you because this is all it is. It's only a little unboxing. Thank you again so much for watching my unboxing, and I shall talk to you all in my next one. Thanks a million. Bye. Love you. Mwah.